Hey guys, welcome to Techmates. Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add tags to your YouTube videos in your YouTube studio. So this guide will take less than 2 minutes. Let's get started. First thing first, open your browser, type in youtube.com and get logged into your specific YouTube account. Once it is, so select your initial and select YouTube Studio and simply go ahead and add a video. Once done, it'll look something like this. And here you will see video elements, checks, and visibility. Now the tag section is right below here once you add your title and description. So let's go ahead and do that. Select show more. And here you will see tags option if you just scroll below. Under tags, you can type in everything or every word that is related with your video. For instance, if your video is related with, let's say, data backup, you can type in data and then enter. It will become a hashtag itself. And let's say backup and any ECM name that you would like. And once done, select next. You may go ahead, publish this video, and at the description of a video, let me show you an example. If you click on this, see more here, you will see tags. In my case, this person has not added any tags, but you will see it right here once you add it. And this is how you can do it, guys. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials. And if you want, you can also get a guaranteed answer to your comments. And for that, you will just need to join our membership for Techmates. Members will get first priority responses to their comments and queries. The link is right down below.